Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ5 finished in a Sepang blue. The car's got the full xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights, front headlight washer jets and the lower front fog lights. The car's also got the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car's got the twin design 20-inch alloy wheels with the SQ5 brake calipers. Chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof bars and also the chrome on the tops of the door handles with privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Full power tailgate with the rear LED lights and quad exhaust with the rear reverse camera. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the silver leather on the inside of the door cards along with the matte brushed aluminium finish, folding exterior mirrors with the Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system, four-way electronic lumbar support with electronic slide and tilt with the SQ5 embossed fine Nappa leather front sport seats, 3-spoke multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel, and the car's also got the automatic headlights and the automatic wipers with the S-tronic automatic gearbox with hill hold assist and also Audi's navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ5, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.